Now, my Lord, last year, the witness made the following post. I have it on my phone, but I will make it available to you one way or another, should you so require. And it's a very important post, because it reveals a lot about this witness and why she does not want to testify, and whether it's really about the reasons my learned friend posited both in argument and in his heads of argument. And if I could read this post, which has had 2,172 likes. After work, I had a late afternoon nap and had a dream where we as a family had decided, Ukuti, we don't want any media present in court when we testify. Not even our voices should be heard. So we don't want to waste any more of the people's time. Since it says SI, guilty already in their eyes, so we rather testify to the court alone, since they are the only ones who haven't found us guilty. And the court said, granted, my biggest fear is that my dreams always come true. Well, this witness has brought this objection based on a dream. She says nothing about fearing for her life. And my Lord, I pause to say and to ask whether this is merely a publicity stunt for someone who is very active on social media and whose image is all over social media. Then, my Lord, there is a second post. This one is dated Monday, 15th of May. And bear in mind, 15th of May was when this application was brought. And it was brought, I think, after my learned friends for the accused had presented their argument, because the post is at 12:42, and again, unfortunately, I only obtained this now and can only read from it, but will make it available to you. It looks like one is never going to get their day in court, because people
you say at 12:42?
At 12:42,
okay.
On the 15th of May. It looks like one is never going to get their day in court, because people entrusted with this case have turned into a circus. So I might as well say this here and now. It really pains me that this case doesn't look like it will be solved anytime soon, because South Africa believe opportunities and populists like this one. It pains me because it means the Meyiwa family will never get justice, and because it means my family will forever live under this dark cloud. This one claimed he had eyewitness. He claimed he had proof that Kelly pulled the trigger, and now he withdraws this. He has had his 2 minutes of fame. This desperate desire to find the Khumalos guilty. So we will believe and back anyone who says what we want to hear will stand in the way of justice. This tunnel view approach that society is applying to this case is what is obstructing justice from being served. Now, this is someone who fears to testify. It cannot be so. It cannot be so if these are the comments she's making on Monday, if she's telling us about her dreams, that she wouldn't have her evidence live on television.